What's up, guys? Your boy Ty back with another video. Today we're doing an unboxing of the RIPP Modification Supercharged Coil packs that I got today. I picked them up today. I ordered them like 6 days ago, but I ordered them on Thursday, so they didn't process till like Friday, so they didn't get here until like Thursday. Picked them up, but I got my coil pack. I got my new spark plugs too, the lithiums, the high performance premium ones, which they're pretty good, I've been told. So I got them, and I'm just changing out everything. See, I redid it a few months ago, and it's just giving me issues because I got the OEMs, which apparently they're not compatible with the RAM 1500. They're just producing like low voltage. So I needed something bigger and heavier. So I looked it up, showed me the RIPP. I ordered RIPP immediately, and now we're about to get rolling. So I'm going to show you guys what I got going on so far. So just stay touched and stay tuned.
Okay, comes neat and packaged, as you see. Comes with a manual where it tells you what to do, how to get rid of the old and put in the new. It came with this really cool sticker. I think I took it out. Oh no, it came with this right there. RIPP sticker. RIPP Ignitions sticker. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because it's a light. There it is, RIPP Ignition stickers. The manual itself. And then the box. Look how neatly packaged the box is. I mean, I just love a good box, and it's just nice all the way around. I like the details. Just like it. Get rid of this box. RIPP box. Now let's open them up. RIPP mods. Just look. I got the orange color. Orange is my favorite color, so I just got that. They had green, red, orange, and black. Which I thought black was a little bit too basic because that's all the colors that come in the coil pack so far. But look how neatly packaged they are, bro. Hemi pack. And it even comes labeled on the top, RIPP High Performance Hemi Coil Pack, which I think is actually pretty cool. Like, because when I put them inside the truck, when I installed them, it's going to be like an orange and black base now inside the engine bay, which I kind of want to redo the colors anyways. RIPP. Altogether, I got 8 in total, which is what the recommendation for the RAM 1500 is not 4 anymore. It's 8, and it has 16 spark plugs. Which when I first did my first spark plug change and coil pack switch out, that was my first time doing it on a RAM 1500. So me going in there asking just for 8 spark plugs, they're like, "Bud, you need more than that." I'm like, "What do you mean? It's 16." I'm just like, I did not even know, but now I know. And so right now, I think it's worth the money getting these coil packs, high performance coil packs. Like, I think they're gonna do a lot of work. Apparently, they're supposed to add extra horsepower, X30, maybe 15, and miles per gallon. I might see it on my truck because I might not, depending on my wheels, because my wheel size I have on there, 26 by 37s. I might see a significant impact, like a big difference. To me, 2 miles per gallon, 2 more miles per gallon is a pretty good deal. Like, I could deal with that because right now I get like 14 on highway, 11 in the city. So if I get 16 on highway on 37s, boy, I'll be in the game because more gas in my tank and more time for me to ride. Because I get tired of stopping every week. But this is my little quick unboxing video that I did for you guys. We're gonna test them out. I'm gonna install them today while I have time. I did my research, like I said, looked on Google before, and I just didn't buy them just because, oh, they got a good design and whatnot. No, I looked at the reviews. They got a 5-star review on all their reviews, and they got like 100 reviews. And I looked on YouTube. I saw the difference in the HP and the RPMs. Like, Rambo's about to be on 2 wheels, and I'm super excited about this. So I'm about to get started. But thanks for watching. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe to this video. If you're old, I appreciate you for watching this video and watching me perform these upgrades on Rambo. You guys love the truck. I love the truck as well, but I don't know. I just love the truck. Like, I've been having my ifs and buts about selling it, and like, I'm like, no, I'm not gonna sell it. Then I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna sell it. No, I'm not gonna sell it. Then I'm gonna sell it. I'm not gonna sell it. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we are out. And thanks to RIPP. All right.
Now I get hurt, then you. For my hoe, then you. I ain't got no points to prove. I got